And I'm way out there.
Did you see him way out there?
No, I didn't see him jump.
Oh, fuck this. The angle of your line is like about 10 degrees.
He's out there, man. You're gonna have to work.
This one's mine.
You're not playing baseball. Ooh, barely holding up. It's the size of that log there. Holy fuck. We're gonna keep your tip up?
It's real hot.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Want some water? Pour some beer on it?
I'll pour some water on it. That's a big fish.
That would be a good picture. Somebody pouring a little bit of oil on it. That would be a good picture, though.
Holy fuck.
Need some help?
Yes.
Where is he?
Hey, man.
Where is he, man?
He's way down. He's like way the fuck down there. When that log floated down, he was right next to it.
You'd have to more.
No, that's if we had a boat, that would be easier.
Just take them out to the middle.
No, you don't take them into the current. That's when you lose them. You got to bring them into shore, but you got to chase them in here.
Right.
You can't just.
You really need that smoke, don't you? You want me to light it?
Yeah. Good enough. You want your gloves on?
Gosh.
He's way out there still, dude.
That's been 3 minutes, 4 minutes coming up. At 3:37, the bell rings. Buddy's line. Well, hang on if you want. It's one thing I can do.
Oh, come closer to the edge here. There. That's a better position. Need help or what?
I already asked. You asked, I'm sure. There you go. There you go.
He's in there, man.
Entertainment for the week. Oh, he's heading into shore. He wants to see it on the beach over there.
He's a big fish. Oh yeah, he's strong. Shut up, plane.
He's tiring out here. You're winning.
Here it comes.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god, dude!
Right there, on the right in front of you. No, on the log.
No, those aren't.
Okay, oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. Has this thing got sound on it too?
Yeah.
Watch out. Oh, I gotta bring these.
The boys are doing good. They can hear me talking? Woohoo, they.
Can you bring these down with you when you bring the camera down, please? You want to try to drag them over, dude?
Yeah.
We're having fun now.
So,
Get up on the hill, quick!
There he is.
Holy
Hello.
You got him?
I got that one, man.
Go, 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 go!
Oh,
Holy
bye.
Yeah.
I will. I'm just getting some good shots from up here. I'm yelling into the camera.
Water, bro.
Woohoo! Hey, Mama. What you doing tonight?
He's fucking ancient, dude.
You're very pretty. Okay, so what? What? Holy.
6.5.
Woo! Whoa, look at this guy.
Inches.
I'm getting some nice pictures. I'm getting some nice pictures.
Roll them.
Oh, roll them over. What do you think there, buddy?
Yeah,
You think that's a good fish? You gonna let him go? You gonna let him go now? Then you jump in after him. Hey, you like these pictures?
I see the fish.
You like these pictures?
Fuck yeah, dude. Fucking